We're going to show you how to search for students using the eAdvisor tracking tool. Log into PeopleSoft, go to the main menu, ASU Customizations, ASU Student Records, ASU Advising, and then the Advisor tracking tool. There are many ways to search for students using the Advisor tracking tool. The first way is by the 10-digit student ID called the Affiliate ID or the EMPL ID. You do not need to put in a career number, but the enrolled term is required. This field will default to the current term, and it is used in conjunction with the academic load to filter the list of students. In this example, we'll find all the students with a full-time load in the fall of 2013. You can choose a campus to further limit your search, and you can search by student's last name and first name. A popular search term is the academic plan. You can quickly and easily find the particular academic plan for the students that you're interested in. You can further narrow your search by picking one of the track statuses. The next field is the reviewed status. Advisors mark students as reviewed in the Advisor tracking tool as they review their information and work with the student. In this example, we'll check for students that are off track and not reviewed. If you want to limit the search to an eAdvisor student group, you can do that here. For our example, we're going to look for students that are in the CT13 eAdvisor group, meaning first-time freshmen that have arrived on the fall of 2013. If you'd like to search for students in another particular student group, you can add that to this second field here. Finally, we have academic standing action. So for our example, we'll choose students who are disqualified. So for this particular example, we're choosing students in the fall of 2013 who are full-time on the Tempe campus, who are off track and not reviewed yet, in the CT13 eAdvisor group, and are disqualified. Remember that you can change the qualifier field so that you get everybody but the item that you have selected. If we change this disqualifier from begins with to not equals to, now we'll search for everybody that we set above and catch every student that is not disqualified. You can search by any range of criteria, entering as little or as much information to limit your search. Another feature that's helpful is the Save Search criteria. If there are searches that you will do repeatedly and frequently, you can save them for later use. Let's say that you often search for students that are full-time Spanish students that are off track. You can set the search criteria and click on Save Search Criteria. Give the search a name, and click Return to Advanced Search. Now you'll have a list of saved searches up here that you can pick, and it will automatically set all of these fields to that saved search. Once you have selected all of your settings, click Search. To increase the speed of your search, do not select Include History. Depending on your search results, you may get many students that match your criteria. If you do, you'll see a list that looks like this. Clicking on any of the items in the list will bring up that student, and that's how you search using the eAdvisor tracking tool.